progression of 10th standard. It may be state syllabus or CBSE syllabus. Here learned the concept of the progression. So a sequence is said to be an arithmetic progression if the difference between any two constants is same. So what to call that as a progression? Okay. So last classes you learned. So how to write the example for progression? Same thing. So what is the general form of arithmetic progression? Next, you know that some relations means some formula you learnt. The first formula or that is n is equivalent to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, based on this, you solved problems also. Here, A means nth term, that also called as last term. A is the word first term, and is the number of terms, and D is the word common difference. Here, the thing is how it is about only terms. Now, how to add the terms of the arithmetic progression? There also you learnt some relations in the form of formula. So first one is what to find the sum of the natural numbers. If d is equal to what 1, what the formula to use? Sn is equal into n plus 1 divisible by what 2. It is only for what natural numbers. Why? Common difference is what exactly equal to 1. Suppose common difference is greater than 1, what the formula you have to use? That is Sn is equivalent to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula can be used. Here Sn means sum of the finite terms, n is the number of terms, a is the first term, n is the number of terms, d is the what common difference. So condition only thing what that common difference is more than 1. In some sequences, so they have the finite terms. So if first term and last term can be seen, you use the another formula. That's what Sn is equal to what n by 2 of a plus an. In place of n, you may take L also. So both are correct. So this is only for finite terms. So when first term, last term is given, you have to use this formula. Here today, I am going to take some problems. So based on these formulae. Okay, let us see. This is the one problem. So except problem, observe that one. So find the sum of the following APs. Here 2, 7, 12, up to 10 terms. Here I want to take that problem. Here first problem, you have to find the sum. So what the sequence is given, what the progression is given, 2, 7, 12, up to 10 terms. So from this progression, you are getting some given terms. So here first term is what 2 and common difference. It already told it is an AP. Therefore, D is equal to what A2 minus A1. A2 means 7. A1 means 2. Subtract 2 from 7. What are getting 5. And number of terms N is how much? That is what 10. Using this, you have to use this formula. That's what Sn is n by 2a plus 1. So that is Sn is equal to what n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here the thing is very simple. To find the sum of the 10 terms, then nothing to what S10 is equal to what 10 by 2 inside the bracket 2 into a means 2 plus n, that is 10 minus 1 into d, common difference of what 5. Here simplified the inside the bracket Board-Most rule according to that one. Sum of the S10 is equal to what outside the bracket you may reduce 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. That's what 5 times the. So 2 2s are what 4 plus 10 minus 1 9 into 5. Close that. Here 5 into simply inside the bracket that is 4 plus 9 5s are 45. Here 5 into, so add 4 to the 45, that becomes 49. Here multiply the word 5. So 5 9s are 45, 4 carry. Okay. So 5 4s are 20, 20 and 4, 245. In this problem, in the AP, in the 2, 7, 12, up to 10 terms, what will be the sum? 245. Here, I'll take one more problem. So, the problem is here. Find the sum given below. 7 plus 10 by 2 plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 84. Here first term and last terms are given. So how to solve this problem? Observe that carefully. Here the problem is first one, that is 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus dot 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 plus 84. Here, generally it forms the AP. So you may check that on A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. But here I am going to take what is the thing given. A is equal to what? 7. And common difference. D is equal to what? A2 minus A1. Here 10, 1 by 2 minus 7 is what? 7. Here last term AN or nth term is given 84. When first term and last terms given, you have to find the number of terms. How many terms are here? Starting from 7 to 84. So for that, you have to use the relation n is equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Here last term, that is what? 84. A first term 7 plus n, we need to find n minus 1, right, as it is, into d. You have to simplify that one. So what the simplification? So it is improper. So 2 times 20, 21 by 2 minus 7. Here nothing means what? 1. What are the LCM? 2 is the LCM. 21 ones are 21 minus 2 sevens are 14. What the difference? 7 by 2. This 7 by 2 right here. Okay. So now after that, here transpose this one. Why here plus sign is there? 84 minus 7. It is equivalent to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Here subtract 7 from 84. We are getting 77 is equal to what? N minus 1 into 7 by 2. Here into sign there, you take the reciprocal for this. That comes here. 77, the reciprocal of 7 by 2 is 2 by 7 is equal to what? N minus 1. By 77, by 7, divide that 77. 7 ones are 7 11s are. 7 ones are 7 11s. 11 twos are 22 is equivalent to n minus 1. Here between minus sign is there. Separate this one minus 1 from right to left. That becomes 22 plus 1 is equal to what? N. Therefore, in this AP, how many terms are there? That is n is equal to what? 23. Using this, I want to find the sum. So you know that one. So for finite terms, especially for first term given, you use the relation Sn is equal to what? N by 2 of A plus An. Here n means what? 23. Sum of the 23 terms. Here 23 by 2 into first term, that is A 7 plus last term 84. Here 23 by 2, add this 7 to this one, that is 91. Now multiply 91 into 23. 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. Add that one, that is 3, 7 and 2 adding 9, here 10, here 2. So very simple, 2093 divisible by what? 2. This is the what? Sum. You may express this in mixed fraction. So very simple, 2093 divisible by what? 2. So 2 tens are 20. Okay, you take this 9, 2 fours are 8. Remainder is what? 1. Here 3, 2 6 are 12. Remainder is what? 1. Here we are divided by 2. Take that in the divisor. Here what are the question got? 1046. What is the remainder? 1. So this is the only sum. So when the finite terms are given, you should solve the problem like this. So first term last terms given means we need to find the what n first and then use this formula. So surely you are getting the answer is what? In this case 1046 and half. Okay, you may express in the mixed fraction or you may write in the decimal also. Okay, all are correct. Okay, anyway, my dear children and my dear students, you gave the much how to solve the problems under the word progression chapter. Thank you for joining my classes. Please, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel, like and share my channel to your friends. In the next class, and more participants. So thank you. Bye.